As you can see, my radio's on and the reception is absolute crap. Well, I've just gone into the cupboard above my cab and ripped the carpet down. Let me turn the light on. Let's put that out of the way. I don't know whether you can see. It's very, very, very rusty around there. We just got a light. There you go. Now you can see it. It's gone rusty around the edge of the aerial hole, and I just give it a wriggle, and it must have connected because the radio came back as perfect as anything. So I'm going to take the aerial off and see if I can grind that down somehow. I am out in the wilds. Well, I'm at Stonehenge again. I'm here for a couple of days now, so nothing else to do. So weather's turned cloudy. It was nice and sunny this morning, beautiful, but yeah, so I'm gonna have a go at that. Well, I'm sure I've only got a bit of wet and dry, so I've rubbed it down as well as I can. You can see it. I don't know whether you can see it on this camera or not, but I've rubbed it down as well as I can, put it all back together, took the aerial off altogether, put it back on there, and as you can hear,
it's all in his past now. You might have to resign. Happy birthday to my amazing.
The radio's working perfect. Good. There. That only took all of what, 10-15 minutes. Another quick job. The sun's come back out. Yeah, I've got away from all the rest of them. I come right down this far end, out of the way. I go for a walk across there then later. Yeah, right. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I've woken up by that sound. It is fantastic. And that was the view out of my window this morning again. Just started to walk down here towards the lakes, but they've locked the gates and put barbed wire on the top to stop you climbing over and made it private property. I'm parked to the top of there. There's another camper behind me, but I'm right in front of him. They said they were early to bed, early to rise, but yeah, they went to bed early, but they still end up. Mind you, it is only 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Oh, birdie stopped. It is a little bit close to the main road. The traffic didn't start until about half an hour ago. 5-ish. So I still had a peaceful night. I slept like a log. I only had 3 beers last night, and well, I say last night, yesterday lunchtime at 3 o'clock. I had lunch here again, Sunday lunch, and so I'll just look and see what was in there. It looked like somebody dumped rubbish. Yeah. So I had a lovely Sunday roast. I do like my Sunday roasts. I mean, I've been out now since end of April. I didn't realise there was a house that close. There's a house there. Huh. Yeah. Not heard the sheep at all. And they're all black ones. Yeah, met when I got here yesterday, 11:30. There was 2 VW campers here, and there was a young girl in each, and they were such nice girls. I'll put a photo up. We had a fantastic afternoon and evening, but nevertheless they had to leave last night, and but otherwise we were having a fantastic time. You know, I'd only just met them, and the nicest couple you could ever bump into, and yeah, they were brilliant. Yeah. I can hear all the geese. There's the geese flying over there now. I can hear a lot of geese. Could hear those first thing. Right. I'll come back to you when I got something else that I can think of saying. I walked down to the gate, and it's not very often you get this, but Mr. Pheasant was roosting in there. Can you see him? Mr. Pheasant? Right. Scared of me. So am I. Right, private parking. Car park. Members only. Langford Lake. Private fishing, members only. No public access. As I say, I am at... There's the pub. Right at the top of the bank there. There's my van right behind the trees. Shaded from the solar. It's just about touching me now. Little van behind me. It is the pub is called the Rainbow on the Lake. I have done other videos on this place, and I mean, it's got to be good if I keep coming back. There is another pub in the village. I think it's called the Bell. They also do overnight parking in the car park, as long as you eat and drink there. But this chap, he doesn't insist that you eat. You know, because sometimes these places can be quite expensive. But he was reasonable. I had roast. I had 4 slices, massive slices of roast beef. 4 or 5 roasters. The veg comes in a separate dish alongside. You help yourself to the veg, but there was plenty there. There was plenty. I'm a little bit closer to the lake now, and just look at the mist. I don't know whether you can see it on this camera. Just look at the mist coming off it. Usually means it's going to be another nice day. I can see geese, swans, ducks, moorings. More black sheep, more black sheep. Pub from another angle. Yeah, I'm not walking too much farther, but I know that if where my van is up there, if you walk the same way as I've just walked down here and back up this track, which takes you alongside the lake, just over there You've got to go up through here, through the kids' playground, follow it round to the edge of the road, and you come back in, and there's a cafe right in the middle. With a good lake view. Can't see it from here, but yeah, oh, there's another tenter over there, fisherman. I got a feeling that's right by the cafe as well. I don't know. I can see the fish jumping in there, so I can't walk no further. Legs are giving out already, so back up. I have number 3 cup of tea for the day,